Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with opening the Play Store, and first of all make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then be aware actually that you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you can do it right now, right after entering the Play Store, or you can do it in a different section. You can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. So now simply tap on the circle in the right upper corner and enter Manage Apps and Device. Then let's tap on Manage and tap on Updates Available. And right here we've got the list of apps which can be updated, which are currently installed, of course, and you can download the newest version. Of course, if you want to, you can mark all of them, but if not, you can choose specific apps. I'll choose Google Chrome and maybe Google Drive. So just mark the options and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.